Okay, so in this video I will be covering if statements. Yeah, and that's it, probably. And also a note from the last video, that wasn't actually text down here. So yeah. Okay, I'm on Linux right now because I recorded the last one on Windows, thinking there was text on here and it's gonna look ugly. So let's head straight into files. Documents, or whatever that is. Oh, that's. Oh, I'm gonna organize my stuff. YouTube videos. If I can spell videos correctly. Boom. There. Okay, we got main.c and compile.sh. Go ahead and open up the terminal. Vim main.c. Okay, if yours pop up with the screen says something like main.c, whatever file already exists and gives you a warning, just press E and then just keep editing. Just press E. That's what I did, but now it just goes away. I for insert, and let's go. If statements, they're conditional formatting. So if I'm hungry, I get some food. They're basically like that. Show you a simple if statement. We're going to declare two variables. Integer num1 equals, let's say 2. Integer num2 equals 5. And this is how we're going to create an if statement. Type if, brackets and squirrely brackets. Go like that. Open up the squirrely brackets like that. So, now inside the if, you're going to type the condition. So if, let's say, num1 is bigger than num2, then, well, if that is true, if 2 is bigger than 5, if that's true, then we are going to, we are going to print f 2 is bigger than 5. Okay, so of course 2 is never going to be bigger than 5, so this is always going to be false. So if we run that, the expected result will be nothing on the screen. So if I just open up another terminal here to make it, one's my coding, one's my running terminal. I'm just going to make it, oh yes. That's fine, I don't need the running terminal. I can just escape, :wq that, and then bash compile.sh. Whoa. Vim main.c. Let's see what we've got wrong. Oh, num1's smaller than num2, sorry. You guys might have noticed that, but sorry. That was a silly mistake. Bigger than num2 there, that should be fine now. WQ bash compile.sh. See, we get nothing. Great. You know, I sort of just wanted to make this compile thing a little fancier, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into compile.sh, Oh, see, if you get this in any of your programs, like, oh, this is okay. I'm just gonna close that. So, like that. We use Echo to print out onto the screen. So before we compile it, we're just gonna say input, of course. Echo the ready to compile main.c. Echo ready, let's just say echo compiling, and then after all of that, echo finished. There. Boom. That makes it better. Escape WQ, of course. Terminal again. Bash compile.sh. Compiling finished. Great. Vim main.c. That is essentially if statements. There's another type called elif statements. Elif, not elif statements, just elif. Just elif. So what you want to type is elif. Elif. That's not a keyword. Oh, else if. Sorry, I thought it was elif, too used to Python. Else if num2 is, well, num2 is, oh my god, bigger than num1, then what we're just gonna do, we don't need the curly brackets if we're only doing one line, so I'm just gonna print f 5 is bigger than 2. So let's try it out. Just gonna remove these curly braces. We don't need them if we're only dealing with one line stuff. Insert. God damn it. God damn it. There's something wrong with this. Put this in the I. Thank you. There we go. Okay, let's go. Escape WQ, do that, and then just bash compile.sh or function print at all. Sorry. Vim main.c. Printf, not printf. Printf. Make that clear. Printf. WQ. Vim. Oh, sorry. Bash compile.c. Compile.sh. What am I doing? 2. Okay. That looks really ugly. Just want to change it, you can, but like, I'm not going to change it because I'm going to go back anyway. Vim main.c. So you can see here, got this. There's another type. Do this. Sorry. It's gonna add a print new line. At the end of this, print f. Backslash it, there, new line, boom. that is going to make it a whole lot better. Okay, so there's this thing called else. So what elif does is it checks this if first. If this is not true, if it is true, then it runs this command and it's finished. If it's not true, it checks this, and if this is true, then it runs this. If this is not, it just skips this. Okay, we can do other else ifs after that, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is else. So if both of these isn't true, like if it checks through this, like if it checks through this and it isn't true, checks through this and it isn't true, then it runs this. So else, we don't need to specify a condition because it's just catching whatever's left. What the hell am I doing? Oh, else. Why did it just do that? Else. Just please. Why does it just do that? Okay, else. If you do that, I don't care. It's your fault. Printf. Let's just say 2 is equal. Let's just do num1 is equal to num2. Fair enough. Hopefully this else thing doesn't ruin me. Bash compile .sh. Okay. It's because of the else. The vim main. Why does life have to be so hard? Okay, so apparently we have to indent this thing. Insert tab there. Now life is great. Escape. WQ. Bash. Compile.sh. What? Error. Expected primary expression before. What? What? Vim main. Oh, sorry. Not that. Vim main.c. Doc. What just happened? Is else even like that in C? Because like if we put this right there, it would have been way better. But like, oh my gosh. Okay, apparently I am a total dumbass. Yes, of course. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. And I am too used to Python. I need to get used to C now, because C doesn't use colons. Gosh. Escape WQ. If that doesn't work, I don't know what to say. Bash main compile C. 5 is bigger than 2. Yay! Our program is now smart for some reason. So that's probably going to be it for this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.